Dear students, this is Divine Love Seminar, and thus I am going to teach Vedic Mathematics, Class 2, Sutra 1, Ekantikena Purvena. Now I am going to teach about additions, basic numbers, very smallest number. In future, biggest number, many formulae I will teach in next video. Basic spoon feeding only I am teaching you all. 15 plus 12. 15 plus 12, how we will calculate? From left side to right side only in Vedic mathematics, we should calculate. See the tens and ones. I colored it. Okay. Now, 15, how many tens are there? Only one ten. In 12, how many tens are there? Only one ten. Just I wrote it. And so, 10 plus 10, 20. Keep in your mind. In ones place, 5 and 2, 7. Keep in your mind like this. Just you have to write for your understanding only. I put this format. Okay. How we should calculate? Just see. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 2, 27. That is the answer. Mind calculations, 2 digits number, okay? 15 plus 12. In Vedic mathematics, we should calculate from left side to right side. I put the arrow mark, just see the image. First, you should calculate the tens place. Then you should calculate the ones place. Okay? In tens place, how much is there? 15, 1 tens are there. Then, in 12, 1 10 is there. So, what do you have to do? First, calculate the tens. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 keep in your mind. Then go to ones place, that is unit place. 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. 27 is the answer. Hope you all understood. Sum 2. 17 plus 22. In tens place, 17. How many tens are there in 17? 1 10. So, 10 we put. 22. How many tens are there? 2 tens. So, 20. Okay. Then you come to next place. Ones. Ones, how much thing is there? 7 and 2. Just write. Then go to tens place. We should add now. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Here ones place, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. This one for your return. Now calculations, just see. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. Plus 2 is equal to 39. 39 is the answer. Just see the image and write. Understand. Mind calculations. 17 plus 22. In 17, how many tens are there? 1 10. Here and down 22, how many tens are there? 2 tens are there. Okay. Now we will calculate from left side to right side only. We should calculate first tens place, then ones place. Okay. Come, everyone see the image. First 10 plus 20. First you should add the tens place number. That is 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. 30 keep in your mind. Then go to ones place, that is unit place. 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. 37 plus 2 is equal to 39. 39 is the answer. Terms and operation. This is the basic. Okay. From this, we can understand the Vedic mathematics future formulas. Okay? First term is ekatika. Ekatika means one more. Example, ekantika of 0 is 1. Ekantika of 1 is 2. Ekantika of 8 is 9. Okay. Ekantika of 23 is 24. Ekantika of 364 is 365. And second term, ekayana means one less. Example, 1 less than is 0. 2 less is 1. 1 less, that is. 3 is 2. 79 is 78. 99, 98, etc., etc. Third term is Purak. Purak means complete. Example, Purak of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 from 10. Purak of 10 is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now, fourth terms and condition is Rehank. Rehank means a digit with a bar on its top. In other words, it is a positive number. Example, a bar on a 7 is written as a 7 bar. See the screen. For negative, minus 7. Okay? It is called Rehank 7 or bar 7. We treat Purak as a Rehank. Example, one sum I'll teach. 7 bar. That is, inside the bracket, we should write 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay? And 3 bar, that is 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Okay? These all terms and conditions, terms and operation we can say. Okay? Terms and operations. At some incidents, we write negative number also with a bar on the top of the number, as just see, minus 5 can be written as 5 bar at that is the top of the 5. We will tell as bar 5. Okay? See the image. Bijank. The sum of the digits of a number is called bijank. If the addition is a 2-digit number, then these 2 digits are also be added up to get single digit. Okay? Example, bijank of 36, that is 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 is the bijank. Okay? Bijank of 685, that is 685. Just add 6 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 19. Okay? This 19 again we should add 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Again this 10 should be added. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Okay? So 685 bijank is 1. Another example, bijank of 3, 6, 7, 1, 2, 4. Just all the number add 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 23 will come. Again this 23 we should add 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 is the bijank. For quick calculation, 3, 6, 7, 1, 2, 4. Arrow mark just see. 3, 6. 6 to 3 we should add. Then 9 will come. Then 7, 2 arrow mark is there. 7, plus 2 is equal to 9. Same 9, 9. Okay, just ignore it. And 1 and 4 is there. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Okay, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. That is the answer. That is the Bijank. Okay. Now we will see the general number conversions, vinculum number. General 7. Okay, general number is 7 means conversation how we will write 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is a 7. Okay, that you all know. Vinculum number, how? 1, 3. That is, we have to add these things. 10 plus 3 is a 13. But here 1, 3 you have to write separately, and 3 above 3 we should put bar. Okay. Second number 96. 96 conversation how it will be? We have to minus 100. 100 minus 4 is 96. Okay. Here vinculum we have to add 100 plus 4 is 104. Okay. 100. Again I am telling 100 plus 4 is 104 in vinculum number. How you will write? 104. For above 4 we have to put what? Bar. Understood? Then only 100 minus 4 will be 96. That is general number. Next number 279. 279 is a general number. Conversations 300. If we minus 300 minus 21, we minus 21 in 300, 279 will come. 279 is the general number. Vinculum, just we have to add 300 plus 21. Okay, how you will write? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. In 3 we should not put bar. 2, 1. Above 2 you have to put bar. Above 1 you have to put bar. Then only that is 300 and minus 21 is 279 in general number. Hope you understood. This general number conversions, vinculum number, future in Vedic mathematics, sums I will teach. Okay, in future sutras it will come. Vedic mathematics is not only for school or college students. It is for ladies, gents, homemaker, retired people, above 60 plus, and for all can learn Vedic mathematics. It increases concentration power, memory power, good for brain muscle exercise. Future, I am going to teach you all 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, all formulas in Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics can apply to solve big number of arithmetics, example divisions, square root, cube roots, algebra, etc., etc. God will shower all blessing to all. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all viewed this video. Thank you so much.